Can Christmas lights on the exterior of my home bring me joy? That's a great question, and the answer is absolutely yes. Hey, let's give your property a little TLC. Installing exterior Christmas lights, customer after customer, year after year, tell me it's the best thing ever. When they come home, they're home decorated for the holiday season after a hard day's worth of work. Let somebody else this season fool around with all the untangling of the strands of Christmas lights, the extension cords, the timer that little Johnny rode over on his bicycle, all the stuff that it's hard to pull all together, the roof clips, the ladder, everything you need to make this project successful. Let somebody else take care of all the stress this season for you. TLC will provide all that exterior lighting that you'll need, all the extension cords, all the timing devices, the ladders, everything it'll take to make this project complete. We'll provide everything you need and, more importantly, the labor. So you don't have to be the one out there trying to watch a football game on a Saturday or Sunday and going up and down the ladder and trying to find the strands, and the strands are not working right and you have to run to the big box store. TLC uses all commercial grade material, so we'll come to your house, provide everything, install everything so you can enjoy the holidays with your loved ones. If you are enjoying these tips and tricks from TLC, hit the like and subscribe button to receive these weekly. You know, a lot of people don't realize what all goes into a holiday lighting decor. You know, you get your C7s for your roof line. We're going to install them. There's 12-inch spacing with the C7s that are 5 watt. We're going to use all LEDs. There's no heat, which is nice. No danger of starting any kind of fires. We see that a lot of times. You see on the news, you know, someone's burnt down somebody's house. We provide all LED lights, so we don't have that problem. And then we use 12-inch spacing on our clips when we attach everything, so everything's spaced out at 12 inches up on your roof. Then we're going to use LED minis for all your shrubs and your plants around your foundation of your home. This is going to look beautiful when we're done. If you're tired of stringing your own Christmas lights, let's stop there. Let's hit the link below. Let us provide you a free, no obligation sketch what it'll take to have us, TLC, provide you a stress-free holiday season. Hit the link below.